up, YouTube? Today we're at the train yard. Here's my cousin, like always. And we have a green light coming from this way. And the train has slowed down. And it has stopped. So we don't know what's going on. Y'all definitely heard that. So we will pause the video when it's more action going on. Come Amtrak.
That's why this big train right here stopped. Do not hammer.
Amtrak coming.
Not hammer.
Mommy, Amtrak coming. Dang, I see dust down there. Alright, y'all. I'll unpause the video.
Somebody threw something out. You see it?
Alright, y'all. I'll unpause the video
I still hear it.
when the freight train moves. Brake, y'all. This is the brakes releasing.
And y'all know what's crazy? We was just about to get in the car. That's it.
About to move. Y'all, that was the brakes. The apply.
I don't think it's this train.
Yeah, it was. They just released the brakes.
Why are they still releasing?
No, it's No, they release the brakes and it's air, so all the air needs to go through the train and out the hoses.
Dang, it's still going. Now it's red.
Yep, it's been red. Why just start shocking the tracks and then it just stopped immediately? Alright, y'all.
Don't know. I can tell. No, because it's a train book at my school and I read it. Look at the wheel. I knew it. When I said look at the wheels, you see how the wheels are like that? See how the wheels look like they're a little shaking a little bit? You see?